Good morning, everybody. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year from Colombia. I am on the road from San Alberto to Aguachica. I'm hoping that Aguachica is going to have a little bit more to offer than little San Alberto did. It really was just a big, dusty, busy town. There wasn't even a little park or anything. I was kind of surprised. And today I want to address something a number of people, some concerns people had in my last video about my safety. And I talked about how when I left Bucaramanga, the hotel people wanted me to get a police escort, and they talked about the road being dangerous to the next town, and that if I could, to avoid the next town and just keep going to the one after. And you know, I'm not sure what it is, but it's really kind of a worldwide phenomenon. People are always afraid of the next town. I can't tell you how many times people have told me, oh no, you don't want to go to the next town. You want to go to the town after that. And you know, I got to the next town, which was Rio Negro, and it was fine. It's just a town. Stayed in a really beautiful hotel. Simple, but there were potted flowering plants everywhere. It was like a little sanctuary. They had a couple of lovely, friendly cats. And I spent 2 nights there, and I really enjoyed it. And then the town that the hotel in Bucaramanga wanted me to go to, El Playón, was nothing more than a truck stop. And I was there on Christmas. And, you know, it was just businesses and hotels that really catered to the truckers. And because it was Christmas, it was really quiet. But, you know, I don't feel nearly as safe at a truck stop as I do in a town. And so it kind of made me feel like I don't really know what the hotel people in Bucaramanga were talking about. You know, it's not a dangerous road. It's the same road I've been on since leaving Bogotá. And yeah. So there you go. And I would also say that if I thought Colombia was dangerous, I wouldn't be here. I did a lot of research. You know, Colombia had a lot of problems in the 1980s and 1990s. But you know, we're coming into 2019, so that's a long time ago. And I felt like it was safe. So that's my update today. It is, I don't know, maybe about 8 o'clock. Sun's coming up. It's getting warm. All right, let's go. Let's go to Aguachica. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. Alright, you guys, I'm really loving this ride. It's the first time I've had flat terrain to ride on. I'm just like pedaling easy. I've got a huge shoulder. Oh, I'm just loving this. And the scenery's fantastic. It is getting hot, but if this is the way the ride's going to go out to the coast, bring it. Muchas gracias por el agua. Yay. Hasta luego.
Despójate, quítame la salación. Despójate de este espíritu burlón. Despójate.